Hello guys, I'm going to show you a small video about how to program the remote for Glider Matic GTS systems. So I'm going to show you how to program the new remotes to these systems. So I bought this remote from eBay for $7 or $8. So the remote is replacement for glide roll systems. It has 3 buttons, but only A will be programmed for opening and closing the garage door. So let me show you how to program this. Yeah, we have to remove this cover. It's very simple. And you see the controller board here. And do you see the button called Learn? So that is a button you have to press to program the remote. So, and then press the key once. Yeah, so now. So thereby I confirmed, so I successfully programmed remote. So this is the key to program and unprogram the key. You have to press this for 1 second, but if you want to unprogram all the keys and then reprogram it, you have to press this learn button for 3 seconds or more. Thanks for watching.